Let's get more on the Facebook surge. Bring in Loop Ventures founder Gene Munster, also a friend of the show, of course. Gene, great to have you with us.
Thank you, Melissa.
How should we think about Reels? Should we think about it as attracting new users or simply preventing Instagram users from going to TikTok?
Think about it as time spent. As Tim just mentioned, Facebook has 2.6 billion monthly users, just unprecedented. There's 7.5 billion, 8 billion people in the world. Online, it's just over 3 billion. So they pretty much have the users. It's that time spent. That's why everyone is clamoring for this asset, is that has become an addictive platform, especially from the 8 to 22-year-old demographic. And so I think that's the piece, is this is a mind share, a time grab. And obviously with time, you can create advertising businesses. So I think that's what's going on. I do want to quickly weigh in, Melissa. Do I think that Reels was the catalyst today? If I can cast my vote as well, I think that investors were looking for a reason to be more positive on Facebook. The company's had a lot of things thrown at it negative over the past month and a half. I have been one of those people throwing negative objects at the company. And I think that as investors think about Reels, we knew that this product was coming. We knew that there was a chance that TikTok was going to be shut down, not just yesterday. We've known it for a long time. It added 40, as you talked, plus billion in market cap today. The value of the whole TikTok business is somewhere around $100 billion, maybe a little bit less after the potential elimination of it in the U.S. So the math, this doesn't really seem to add up that this was entirely about Reels. But I do think it was investors who believe, I forget which one of your esteemed panelists said, that advertisers, Guy, maybe don't have a place to go. That's the reality here. My view, unfortunate reality, they have no place to go. And Reels was the catalyst today to get behind that.
I guess let me ask the question in sort of a different way. Without Reels, would there be a concern that Instagram users would be leaving that platform and going to TikTok?
Much less. No, there wouldn't be a concern. I missed your question earlier. I apologize. That is a major issue for Facebook. Has always been an issue about an upstart platform to steal time away. And TikTok is the most formidable of those competitors since Snapchat came out.
Hey, Gene, again, obviously, thanks for being here. So something I brought up, I think I might have brought it up with you, but it's worth bringing up again. Obviously, everything seems to be turning up roses for Facebook. Rightly so. I mean, the quarters have been ridiculous. Good for them. But my contention is if there is an existential risk, it comes in the form of potentially falling into the crosshairs or auspices of this ESG investing, which is taken over like wildfire. Is that a potential problem for Facebook down the road, given everything that they've been facing recently?
It's a good day for Facebook investors, but ultimately I think that they should be well aware of these waves that we've talked about coming at them. I think, this more deliberate investing wave that you're referring to do investors want to invest in companies that ultimately make the world a better place? And I think that is a wave that's going to come. I think there's regulatory, I think there's antitrust waves. I think that if I was going to fast forward and think about Facebook over the next 6 months, we're going to have more conversations about tough days versus good days because of some of the things you're talking about there, Guy.